Hello friends, in today's video I am going to discuss about one proverb which is a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Basically it means that whenever you have set one goal or your aim in your life, you have to start working on that. If you don't start working on that, how can you achieve that goal? This is the meaning. This is a Chinese proverb, means that a person must begin his or her journey to reach their goal or destination. Starts with a small step and you will reach to your destination. In other words, start the task and you are going to finish it, but if you don't start, then how you will finish it, right? Here I have given one example. Pollution is high nowadays, so we need to start protecting environment by following measures which help us to control pollution. A journey of 1,000 miles begin with a single step. बेसिकली इट मीन्स कि अगर हमको पॉल्यूशन से हमारे एनवायरनमेंट को बचाना है तो हमें उसके लिए अभी से स्टेप स्टार्ट कर लेने चाहिए, राइट? इफ़ वी आर स्टार्टिंग दिस process, then only we can achieve, we can protect our environment. This proverb you can use in your speaking as well as in your writing. For example, in writing section, one essay is there. Nowadays, environmental problems are too big to manage by individual person or individual country. In other words, it is an international problem. To what extent do you agree or disagree? यहाँ पर एग्री डिसएग्री टाइप का ये क्वेश्चन है जिसमें एनवायरमेंटल प्रॉब्लम किसी एक इंडिविजुअल पर्सन या एक इंडिविजुअल कंट्री से कंट्रोल होगा या मैनेज होगा कि नहीं, क्योंकि अभी ये इंटरनेशनल प्रॉब्लम हो गया है, वो सिर्फ एक पर्सन या एक कंट्री के रिलेटेड नहीं रहा. तो इस स्टेटमेंट से आप एग्री कर रहे हो या डिसएग्री कर रहे हो, इसका आपको आंसर अपने ऐसे में लिखना है. ये प्रोवर्ब आप अपने ऐसे में कैसे लिख सकते हो वो मैं बताती हूँ. We cannot save environment single-handedly, but if we all countries unitedly work on it, this problem can be managed. The only condition is to start combined efforts, as it is well said, a journey of 1,000 miles begin with a single step. Okay, I hope that you understood how to use the proverb in your essay. If you are having any question, then please contact me. You can write in that comment section also. Thank you. Have a nice day.